Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 6th, 2022. Let's find out what is going on the Forex calendar. What do we have here is very interesting. On Thursday, trade balance data from Australia had been published. Overnight, the trade balance data shrinking to 8.32 billion Australian dollars. We got a speech from Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda, and during the London session we will have German factory orders and IHS market construction PMI data from Germany. German factory orders are down 2.4%, which is way lower than the forecast of minus 0.7 and way lower than the previous reading of 1.9%. The construction PMI is one of the most important data scheduled for release at 10:30. This construction PMI is from the UK. Of course, there is there are some data from the Eurozone. Retail sales are scheduled for release at 11 o'clock, and at 1:30 the ECB will publish the account of the monetary policy meeting. During the New York session we have the initial jobless claims from the US scheduled for release at 2:30. Then we have Ivey PMI from Canada scheduled for release as usual at 4 o'clock, and then we got a speech from Bank of Canada Governor McClellan, and Fed Weller will give a speech later on 11 o'clock p.m. So very nice day. Looks like it will be kind of a busy day, but we have some data from the Japan, from the European Union, from Germany. Let's have a look at the charts. We will start with the euro to the Japanese yen. For our chart of the euro to the Japanese yen is eventually showing us the bullish strength into the level of 144.19, which means that this level might be soon hit and tested. Of course, the market is still trading above the technical support at 142.28 and is trading above the 50 periods moving average. The market's condition are, as you can see, very good. The level is 58 points, around 60. So right now the bulls have a control over the market. Momentum is strong and positive. However, we are coming off the extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour chart. On the daily frame, on the daily time frame, we have a very nice rally to the upside as the market keeps moving inside of this channel. We have a pin bar here, so apparently the uptrend is poised to continue. We are trading above 30-day moving average. Of course, 144.19 must be hit soon in order to see the progress towards 145.57, which is the swing high during the recent uptrend. Market conditions are very good. 58 points on the daily time frame chart. There's plenty of room to go up, so the bulls are in charge of this market and higher levels are being expected. Let's take a look then at the British pound to Japanese yen. Then daily time frame chart looks really interesting. What do we have here is, of course, this very big pin bar that spreads towards 148.94, perfectly hitting the technical support here. Since then we have only a rally. Big V-shaped reversal is present on this chart. As you can see here, this is daily time frame chart, which is why this is very important. This V-shaped reversal was made after the market went down from the extremely overbought conditions past the neutral level and went down here towards extremely oversold conditions, and now bounced straight up. So this V-shaped pattern is even seen here. So that's a reversal. What are we waiting for right now is the market to hit the level of 166.23. This is the last technical resistance. Let me put it in red. There you go. The next target is 167.87 and 168.70. Those are the highs from the beginning of the June, end of the April, and if we break above these levels, then of course we can we can see a massive rally to the upside on the British pound. So it looks like this supply zone, this technical resistance might be soon violated, might be soon broken on the daily time frame chart. So please consider the fact that the British pound versus the Japanese yen is positioning itself for a breakout higher. It looks like this sharp reversal cannot be, of course, wasted. What else can we do? Well, US dollar to Japanese yen, if we follow everything, so then take a look at the US dollar to Japanese yen. We are still, as you can see, following our 4-wave scenario. This is the scenario for the impulsive pattern to the upside. A little bit of the consolidation here, which is not a good sign. However, we are still waiting for another wave to the upside. Possibly this will be the 5th wave. That kind of a price action might be considered still as the wave 4, which is apparently right now evolving into more complex and time consuming pattern. However, this still looks very good. This still looks very bullish. What is doing gold? Spot gold market, as you can see, bounced again from the extremely oversold market conditions on the daily time frame chart. Let's find out why we don't have any sort of the trend line here. Let me just add one line. This is the line that marks the top. There you go. And the trend line. It used to be a nice trend line. I don't know why it's gone, but there you go. We can put it right back on the chart somewhere there. So what's going on? We are testing the trend line. We are testing the trend line, and it looks like during this recent down move towards the level of 1615, the bears completely lost the power, because we are now even on the momentum indicator above the level of 50, which is quite rare. We bounced 7%, and please notice the fact that 7% is a little bit below 745. Okay, so that's the 745. I think it might be a little bit even more, 753. Bigger than 578, bigger than 5.08. However, this is still like in range. This move to the upside is still in range of the previous movements as well. So please don't get overly excited about the recent rally. However, we are waiting for the bigger breakout. We are waiting for the bigger breakout higher. We are already above the 30-day moving average. We are testing this trend line here. The next target is 1753, 1787. However, the key level, as you can see here, is 1807. If we break above this level, the 30-day moving average starts to turn. The market is then ready for another leg to the upside and the extension of the bounce. If we hit 1807, this is already 11, almost 12% of the rally for the gold. So it's really worth to keep an eye on the current behavior of the gold, especially around this trend line, to see what this market will do, whether there will be reversal or there will be a breakout higher. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.